Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home improvement solutions. Today, we're going to talk about the XBVV 106 PC's Faucet Washer Assortment Kit, the best stem repair kit for your outdoor garden faucets and bathroom sink faucets. If you're tired of dealing with leaks or worn-out faucet stems, this kit is exactly what you need. This 106-piece kit comes with a wide variety of flat and beveled rubber washers in common sizes such as 3/8, 1/4 L, 1/4, 1/4 M, and 1/4 S, ensuring that you'll have the right size for almost any repair job. The washers are made from high-quality nitrile rubber, making them highly durable and resistant to wear. Whether you're working in a hot or cold environment, these washers are built to last. Along with the washers, you also get 6 non-corrosive brass screws to complete your repair needs. What makes this kit stand out is its versatility. It's perfect for fixing leaks in garden faucets, outdoor faucets, or even bathroom sink faucets. Leaky faucets are not only a nuisance, but they can also lead to high water bills if left unchecked. This assortment kit provides an easy and affordable solution, allowing you to fix those leaks with minimal effort. The durable nitrile rubber ensures that your faucets will remain leak-free for a long time after the repair. Another great feature is the convenience of the kit. All the washers are neatly organized in a sturdy box with clearly labeled sections for easy identification. No more fumbling around trying to find the right part. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. The user-friendly design means that even if you're not an expert, you can easily find the right size washer and get your faucet repaired in no time. The XBVV Faucet Washer Kit is also highly resistant to wear and tear. Unlike cheaper alternatives, these washers are made to withstand the rigors of daily use, making them an excellent long-term solution. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional plumber, this kit will make your faucet repairs quick and efficient. In conclusion, the XBVV 106 PC's Faucet Washer Assortment Kit is an essential addition to any toolbox. With its wide range of washers, durable construction, and easy-to-use design, it's the perfect solution for fixing faucet leaks and wear. If you're tired of wasting water and money on leaky faucets, this kit is the answer. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on the best home improvement tools and products.